I'm doing brunch and then CN Tower and then aquarium, I think. Let's see. I feel like this outfit is very cute. I'm literally, again, I'm basically about to ruin it with my big old jacket. Let's go, I guess. This walk is too long. Still have 5 minutes. So I just had brunch. That was actually really nice and like actually decently priced. Like I spent like about £25-ish, which is not bad. And I got well, you saw what I got. It was tasty, except the bacon was like slightly burnt, but other than that it was good. I'm completely full. Now I'm gonna go to this bad boy and then go to the aquarium. Wow, I look so pretty. Like it's all fun and games when it's far away, but this thing is tall. I feel like the nerves about the height are kicking in, and I'm not necessarily afraid of heights. Maybe it's because I'm alone, but it's booked now. and I don't waste money, so actual real life snow. You can't tell, but it was snowing. I'm not like necessarily surprised about it. You can still see it in the because yeah, coming to Canada in the winter, like what do you expect kind of thing. But I think it was interesting from a Londoner's perspective to just see everyone just be like, okay, yeah, well, I still got stuff to do. Like the city just like kept on going. Whereas in London, when it snows, when it's sunny, when it's anything other than like moderate, everything just grinds to a halt. So yeah, that was funny. But that was such a good day. In the morning, oh my gosh, my makeup has completely dissolved off my face. That's funny. I have a right eyebrow but not a left. What did I do? I went CN Tower, aquarium. The jellyfish. Sorry, the jellyfish had my heart. Like, that was actually such a good experience. I just wasn't in the mood to actually skate, so I kind of just people watched. Just people watched, and then I realised I was close to Eaton Centre again. Whoops. So ended up in there, got some souvenirs. I'll show you all a bit later. And then got some food by recommendation this time. So hopefully it'll be a bit better because first night's food wasn't fantastic, I won't lie. So I'm gonna heat that up. Yeah, just relax with a movie. Wash my hands, get some dinner on. Yeah, just relax. The time is, what time is it? Oh, my watch is dead. It's 6:43 and I was out. When did I leave the house today? I think I left around 9 something. So yeah, nice full day. We love that. Yeah, let's eat and just relax. Canada. I'm very glad that my bag survived because I was kind of scared that it wouldn't survive. I don't know how to pronounce this place, but by recommendation, okay, trying it out. Not gonna lie, even cold, that does look very good. The excitement for the food is real when you just be singing and dancing for no reason. Pure excitement. Why do I keep forgetting to buy a drink? Ugh, I keep forgetting to buy juice. Oh, but what I did do was this morning I boiled some water so that I can pour it in here and drink it. I'm not gonna lie, I drink tap water in London, in my house, but you know, I'm just gonna pour this in and then put it in the... Whoa!
And mine alone, for as long as I can manage to pay the rent.
5:34 and I can't lie, I'm tired. And I knew this would happen when I was up at 4 AM yesterday, but to be fair, I've still had a good day today. I went to the Art Gallery of Ontario, which was actually really good and really big, and it was free. It was free because I am a young thing, 25 and under, woohoo. It was actually a very good amount of art to see for free, so I'm happy about that. And then I went to Kensington Street Market. Did I hear or did I read that there were these nice patties there? And didn't disappoint. It was a very good patty. It was really nice. Packing up now. Tomorrow is checkout day. So I check out 11, but my flight is not until 9 PM. So I'm gonna leave out an outfit because I'm gonna leave my luggage with the front desk and then do some other like touristy activities and then come back to get an Uber to the airport and head home. But yeah, I'm just gonna pack up now so I'm not too stressed. My first solo trip, and what a trip it's been. I think I'm like so proud of myself for thinking that I could do this and then doing it. Like, I remember, like, I still remember where exactly I was when I thought, why don't I just go to Canada by myself, like, for a couple of days. I still remember where I was and what I was doing, where I was at mentally, and you know, my degree right now is really quite a lot, so I think escaping it and finding things to enjoy outside of that is just really important to me right now. I feel like I'm getting emotional, don't want to do that. But I can now say that I have been on a solo trip. I have done that, and I think to be fair, to go from the UK to Canada, I feel like it's a little bit of a big deal, so I'm gonna like doubly applaud myself for that. I think my highlight, what would my highlight be? I don't know, my highlight might be making this rug. I can't lie, like, she is a beauty. Look at it, it's so cute. Like, I'm honestly so happy that I did this, and I feel like tufting it might just be my new, like, when I get stressed, I'm just gonna find somewhere to tuft, because this is actually really cool. Like, you learn a skill, you get to like zone out of the world for like a few hours, and you get to take your like masterpiece home at the end of the day, which I think is really cool. Oh, seeing the jellyfish, not gonna lie, I love jellyfish. Just seeing the jellyfish, kind of back to real life soon. I have to kind of get my mind in the gear of uni. But for tonight anyway, I'm just gonna pack up everything, pack up my souvenirs. I'll either read, I'll probably watch TV for now, and then when it starts getting closer towards bedtime, and then I'll probably start reading, because I think the mistake I made yesterday was being on my phone too close to bedtime, and it just overstimulated me, and it was just a big mistake, and I don't want to do that again. This cute little maple syrup thingy. It's literally adorable. Okay, last day, or last morning before I check out. Packed up, everything's just charging. Interesting. Just like that. The trip is over. The trip is over, kids. But I've actually had a really good time. My first solo trip, hopefully the first of many. thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.